Right now on Andrea Mitchell Reports, Hurricane Ian, a dangerous and monstrous Category 4 storm with 155-mile-an-hour winds. Samara, so what are you seeing from the latest updates?
Well, with each update, the conditions continue to grow dire, and right now we're already seeing lots of rain and strong winds moving into areas like
35, 40 miles per hour. It's knocking down palm trees. It's knocking down some trees. There's no reports of power outages yet. However, there may be some areas that have already lost power. That would